we have reached to part 2 of the lesson. If you are a pre-intermediate learner of English, practice and improve your listening skills with this listening exercise, okay? So listen to the audio going to public places, going to the cinema, and then answer true or false to the question. Are you ready? Let's start. We all need to go to public places and interact with people, ask questions, book a place, or go shopping. In this episode, we are about to find out what to say and do when we are going to the cinema, buying the ticket, and finding our seats.
Yeah, hello, Ruth. Well, as I said earlier on the bus, let's go to the cinema.
Oh, yeah, sure, why not? I'm just, what's on, Lucy?
Made in Italy. It's supposed to be a nice movie filmed in Tuscany.
All right. Who's in the film?
Liam Neeson.
Oh my God, I love him. All right, Lucy, let's go.
Oh, hi. Yes, can we have 2 tickets for the Made in Italy, please?
All right, that will be £22, please. Here you are. Thank you. Enjoy the movie.
Thank you, I'm sure we will. Bye.
Excuse me, you're in my seat, you see. That's my seat, 8, row 15.
Yes. You're right, sorry.
That's okay, it's okay.
Answer true or false to the question. Are you ready? Let's start. Number 1. The film was filmed in Tuscany. True or false? Number 2. The tickets cost £26. True or false? Number 3. The name of the movie is Made in Japan. True or false? Number 4. The star of the movie is Liam Neeson. True or false? Number 5. Ruth loves Liam Neeson. True or false? Number 6. The 2 women sat on another person's seat by mistake. Was it true or false? To wrap up, remember that improving your listening and reading comprehension skills takes practice, but the benefits are well worth the effort by committing to a consistent routine of practice. Now, if you find this video helpful, check out my next video and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.